Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off call vibration and also change call vibration pattern in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, suppose if you are receiving vibration along with your call, there is a vibrate for call is turned on, you can at any time turn it off. Okay, so what you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first and then go to sounds and vibration. Go to sounds and vibration, and here you will find call vibrations options. Just click on it, and here we will have all options. Okay, these are all the vibration patterns. As of now, it is set to basic call. Okay, if you would like to get no vibration, just pick up silence so that vibrate will not occur while ringing in your phone. Okay, while you are getting your phone incoming call, you will not get any vibration. Okay, suppose if you would like to keep the vibration turned on, and if you would like to change it to any other type, yes, you can do it. Here you have short, medium, basic call, heartbeat, TikTok, watts, jig jig jig. Okay, I have finally set it to jig 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 jig. So you can feel each one different. Okay, I feel waltz now. Okay, TikTok will be different. Okay, heartbeat will be different. Okay, it like a heartbeat. Okay, this is basic call. Continuous ringing, that is called basic call. While ringing continuously there will be a continuous pattern of sound. Okay, that is here I feel continuous pattern of vibrate. Okay, that is called basic call. Okay, medium, then short. Short means small, medium means medium means short, and large in between. Okay, in between short and large. Okay, so finally I set it to heartbeat. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off call vibration and also change call vibration pattern to any type that is available in your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.